Good afternoon all. I've been brought here by the wife. She's recommended I come here and do a video, so let's see what's here. I don't know. There she is with Baba. Lupin's not with us today. He's been for a nice walk today. He's at home. Let's go on woodland walk. Okay. Off we go. Again, I know nothing of where we are, but we shall find out.
There's lots of nice surprises here.
Is there?
Yeah.
Including this pig. There's a very colourful pig. Puffig or piggin? I'm gonna go for piggin. So this place is called Wolds Village, and it's near, is it Bainton?
Wolds Village.
Wolds Village near Bainton.
Yes.
Just at the roundabout, at the top of Bainton. Look it up, you'll find it. Woodland Walk. It's a mosaic crocodile. It's huge. Is it a crocodile or is it a dinosaur? Because it is massive.
I think it is a crocodile.
It's got wings though.
Yeah,
it's a dragon. There you go.
Get it right.
The crocodile became a dinosaur and is now a dragon. I'm friends with 25 letters of the alphabet. I don't know why. Little joke, is it?
Oh, where are you going, Graham?
Oh, I'm tired. Oh, goodness. If you witness me fall, I'm not going to edit it out. You can share my pain. It's a little toadstool seating area. S. Heart.
Love heart. C. Oh, that's a question mark.
S. Love. S. Love heart. Question mark. C.
None the wiser.
Okay. It's like a massive escape room or something. And I'm supposed to be utilising these things as clues and...
Well, you'll find out, won't you?
To get past...
Not allowed to cross there, apparently.
Well... No. It's like some kind of weird RPG I'm playing here.
Ooh.
Teddy bear family. It's a pretty windy day today. So hopefully
Oh, look, there's another sign here.
the audio's not affected too much. These are the Yorkshire Wolds. They're not funny, they're hill areas. Hill areas. A few little puns. I like it. I do. I'm enjoying it. I do enjoy a good pun. I just didn't expect them. Am I supposed to be going that way?
It looks like it's barricaded.
Okay, right. Warning, path can be bumpy. Fasten bra straps and remove dentures. Health warning. You've come across a little gnome. Surprised he's not giving me a side quest. You should do really, shouldn't you? What? Okay. All right. I'll do it. What if I told you you read the top line wrong? It actually says, "What if told you read the top line wrong." Ah, I was fooled. Here will be treasure.
I bet you thought it was the end.
I hope it's not. I'm being promised treasure. This is the way to Amarillo. Well, I won't question that. Ba 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 ba. The trail has thrown up puzzles. Congratulations on beating it. What's your prize for doing so well? The satisfaction of completing it. Good stuff. That was cool, wasn't it?
Yeah.
All this treasure is now mine. And that was the woodland walk. Happy days. Oh, is this horse mare? Mare. A mare. Yeah, okay. Yeah. Another pun. Emma's taken me to the pun capital of the Wolds. It's a cafe that way.
Yeah.
A future project is Wolds wagon painting, for now just the Mayor of Bainton. Ask the Mayor of Bainton. Okay. Lots of smart animals dressed up. Ooh, I like that. I really like that. That's lovely. Glimmering Night by Jeff Beckett. I really like it. Hey, Mayor.
Yeah.
I want that painting.
This one?
Yeah.
Oh, it is lovely. The house is like a toadstool.
That is beautiful. Jeff Beckett, I like your work, if you're watching this. Look at this guy. He's in charge. It's another Jeff Beckett.
Well, I said to him, this is when they want to go to Britain. I said, why don't we go to Cape then? You know, and I said, look, Linda's been and said it's
I like that too, Catherine Stevenson.
the waves.
This one's a bit like your house in
Well,
Ravenscourt.
when we went
Oh, was
the
it?
other way.
This one's a bit like your old house in
Lisa's
Ravenscourt.
husband's got a board, and he took all the girls on his board.
But was it too cold? Was it a bit too cold?
It was really calm. You could see it was like glass. I had never. A couple of years ago, that like a grid and that it was like brown.
Very cool. So there's lots of art in the cafe as well.
Oh, they've got some hot puddings.
You should. Didn't expect to see any Star Wars things in here. There's all sorts going on here. I particularly like this owl. So what has Emma gone for?
It is a ginger and marmalade sponge with custard.
Is it nice?
It's lovely.
And I've gone for the classic scone jam and cream, and of course a cappuccino. Happy days. Let's explore the vintage Emporium. Don't knock that jigsaw down. Oh my goodness. Okay. A vintage cutlery tray. Mould cutlery and tray, £8. You can come here and do a quiz, spotting the faces as you wander around. Maybe another time. More art and stuff. And the books. It was to be the big one. By David Walford. Guardian of the Fall. I like it. I like this stuff as well, Emma.
Yeah.
Elderwood. Bryn.
Bryn.
Autumn Reflection. Oak Guardian. Oak King. This is very much, if you've ever played Final Fantasy X, the people that are in that game, like the Macalania Woods people.
Well, I like this one, Mother Earth. She's got a globe on her belly, a pregnant belly.
Mother Earth. There is Mother Earth. It's certainly very quirky, this place, isn't it? Look at this, Walt Disney's original soundtrack. If you're a Disney fan, come and snap up this record. Just going to go see if we can look at the hotel, because I'm curious. There is a hotel here, would you believe? So yeah, it's a very cool, quirky place, is this? Lots of little hidden treasures and things. The cafe looked good, the actual savoury food looked really nice. My scone was very good and Emma enjoyed her pudding, so there you go. Just going to see if we can look around the hotel. Oh, look at these things. A rusty crocodile. To get too far, but yeah, it's just a hotel. So yeah, that was Wolds Village near Bainton. So if you come in like from Drift area, just go towards to go towards Beverley/Hull, and it's just off in the Bainton roundabout. Put it into Google would be the better thing to do. Very quirky little place, lots of little trinkets and cool little things to look at. It's a short video today, I didn't even know I was coming to do a video today, so hope you liked it. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you.